Hello and welcome to HiggProjects today. Today I'm just going to mess around with some silver soldering. I've never done it before, so I'm going to give it a try. I've just been kind of messing around, seeing if I can maybe make a little dude or something. Got some silver solder. Picked up a while back just because I thought this would be an interesting thing to try. Some stay sil, flux, dog water dish, and just some miscellaneous metal stuff. I have my map gas torch, so I'll set this up and we'll see what happens here. Start with, and this is just a paver brick. I actually have some fire bricks somewhere, but not sure where they are right now. So we're going to flux. We'll just do that one at the same time. Get a bunch on there. Can't remember what percentage silver this is, and I just looked up my Amazon order. Don't see it. So here goes nothing. We'll get that nut getting hot first because they both have to be hot. There we go, getting some heat. Nut going, come on nut. Heat up already. Did that do it? I think it might have. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay, well, this is proof I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, I'll throw a glove on that hand. Don't really want to get burned. I think there was still flux on there, so that didn't. Wait. That didn't solder, did it? Did it? Oh my word. I actually think that did solder. Cool that guy down. Did it really, or is it just flux holding it on there? Oh my gosh. Yeah. That seemed to do it. Well, sweet. Well, maybe that's not going to be too bad. Alright, well there's one leg. Let's get the next one. Kind of thinking just something like that, but let's get a little flux going on that one. I think I had some there. I think that did it. Wow. I was moving it around before and I thought it didn't do it because it was moving, but it was just still soft. Give that just a second. Oh, see, it's still soft. You got to give it a second to cool, apparently. Okay, looks like that's kind of where we need it, I think. You're probably not supposed to do this or something. Well, live and learn. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's on there. Huh. Well, sweet. We got our little dude with some... Oh, I know this one got hot again. Yes, it did. It's probably hotter than sin too. Nope. Alright. So there's that. Maybe I'll hit these really fast when the wire wheel over here just to clean up the ends. Oh, I got that flat on the wrong side. I want that foot to go frontwards, so here we go. We're going to do that again. Alright, what I'm doing is, they say solder doesn't fill gaps, is what I've been reading and watching. So I'm making a little flat edge on the back of that leg, and that's going to lay like right, go up on the back of here kind of flat, so something like that. It's probably the hard part, is kind of fitting your dude together how you want him. Of course I'm going to want to flex this all up, so let's get that taken care of. Done. Something like that. I kind of need something to hold it down, so I'll probably just do that. Sure. It's a weird looking body. Oh well. This isn't supposed to look perfect, just artsy fartsy, I guess. Well, that big nut's going to be hard to heat up. If you happen to know where the hottest part of the flame is, throw down a comment. That was right at the tip of the blue, but I don't know. Big nut getting heated up. Alright, I don't know if that's hot enough yet. Let's give it a try. I think that did it. That's a pretty sweet torch. Snagged it over at Ace Hardware here in town. It's an adjustable one. Wanted to make sure that was what I got. Okay, let's get this. Of course, I heated up this leg again. Alright, move that. How's it doing? Freaks me out. Oh, it's sticking. Woo! I guess I could have left some of the heat on that to do the other leg. Ooh, he's kind of got a messed up leg. Oh well. He's not a perfect specimen. So now let's do this. Let's put his other leg over here. Pretty cool. Oh, really? Okay. Just put some white there. Sure. I actually think this is jewelry solder, so I probably bought the wrong thing, but it's working. Whoa. Let's try not to destroy everything here. Sweet. Now what are we going to do? Thought about maybe doing, I don't know, a little body or something. I had to bring in reinforcements. Evan here, James on the other end. It kept falling apart every time I tried to do something else would fall off. So Evan's my flame man, James is our dude on the camera. So we're gonna do this last foot. We just did that foot. We're just gonna do this last one. So go ahead, Evan. Just put it on that one just like you did. Just gonna wait till that gets ready. So take it off. All right. Did we get it? Huh. Okay, we got it. Go ahead and we'll cool him off. First, what do you call this? Solder art? Metal art, I guess?
Cooling him off in the dog bowl.
What'd you say, Evan?
Screw art?
Screw art. Kinda. Dude, it even stands up. All right, we'll clean it up and show you the finished product.
Ta-da! Bolt man.
Here's our finished product.
Look at his shoes.
So our little silver soldering project was a success. We got our first little dude.
Relaxation. See you next time on HiggProjects.
HiggProjects.